I'm Chris, and I'm what you might call a drone enthusiast. I also hold a FAA Part 107B commercial license, which enables me to fly commercially. Over 7,000 hours of flight experience and trying out different gear in different types of conditions. I've created a top 5 list that I think you would find beneficial too. Recreational pilots, commercial pilots, rec or com, whichever you are. I think that you'll be able to use this now indefinitely. If you stay tuned to the end, pre-flight checklist that you can use on every mission. Without further ado, let's get started. And I'm going to give you all 5 right off the bat, and then we'll go back and discuss reasons why. Number 1, top 5 drone accessories, landing gear. Number 2, neck lanyard with swivel clasp. Number 3, screen protector, RC screen protector. Number 4, RC protector. Number 5, a multi-battery charger. So those are the 5 that I have found to be for any type of UAS or UAV flight to be the top 5 must-have drone accessories. Here's an in-depth breakdown between all of those. Number 1, the landing gear. This is an example of landing gear. Landing gear is compact, folds up nicely. There's different types. There's some that attach directly to the body, and there are some that attach to the feet. You'll have to get whichever one applies or is compatible with your particular UAV. The great thing about this is it gives you clearance for landing or takeoff, and it helps protect the gimbal and the sensors of the underbody. Next, we discuss the lanyard, the neck lanyard. This is a great piece as well. Not all lanyards are created equal. This one particularly has a thicker neck piece, and the material is not one that is irritating or itchy. Another great feature of this is the claw clasp, along with its swivel head. Those are key to keeping your remote control from getting tangled up and twisted while in flight. The screen protector is budget friendly, quite simple. Looks something like this. And what it does is it attaches to, you guessed it, the screen of the remote control. The screen of the remote control can be sensitive because that's where you do a lot of your touching and configuring when it comes to your flight. The great thing about this though is these are easy to replace, easy to install, and it's worth the time because it saves from dust, also smudges, scratches, anything else that might affect that face of your remote control. Remote control protector itself. This is fantastic when it comes to protecting the remote control. 2 basic functions that I really like about it. Number 1, it allows the remote control to be completely covered. Just like that. This is made out of either plastic or moldable rubber. And the cool thing about this is with the particular remote control that this is, the joysticks actually come off and unscrew, and they're meant to be placed in the back here. I always say to taking them off, because then you, oops, drop one, and now you don't have a joystick. So as opposed to having to deal with that, oops, I really did lose the joystick. You would simply put this cover over it right there. Therefore, you no longer have to take them off, on and off every single time and screw them on. And this right here, it's a perfect thing to do that. Another great feature about this particular one is it offers shielding. As you can see, I can maneuver this up or down, depending on what angle I want, based on the sun's rays, so I can see my drone actually in flight. Last but not least, the battery needs a multi-charger. I'll show you a picture of this. The multi-charger, imperative in order to not have any downtime when it comes to flying. Inevitably, you're going to find that one of your batteries is not charged, or you're going to find that you're going to want to charge while you're flying. In order to do that, you'll either need to have another unit, another drone, or you'll need to have a charging station that you can actually put your battery packs in and charge. This is helpful when out in the field, or helpful whenever you are actually, even at home, whenever you need to figure out what it is your next mission is. This will serve as my top 5 list. Thank you for checking it out. These tools will help you fly smarter, safer, and longer. And the best thing is, you waited around to the end. You get the free downloadable pre-flight checklist that I myself use and that you can use on every single mission. Thanks for sticking around. We'll see you next time.